Gilas on the run. Lefty layup. Does not bounce in. AJ Edu hooks it up. No good. So many opportunities, Dr. J, to score.
Yeah.
But just...
And then another turnover by CJ.
Oh, another block. The third of the ball game for Abando.
That's a foul. Two free throws coming up here for Iran.
Jafari.
You're going to get that confidence. You're going to make that comeback, which is exactly what we did in the fourth quarter yesterday. When we made 8 stops in a row, you know, we suddenly overtook Senegal's. Now, that's the reason why the adjustment, because a lot of turnovers on the part of CJ, indecision, and he has put Kiefer Abena back to play in the backcourt with Newsome.
So let's see now. 1 right now for Iran, so they will run the clock instead and set up a play. It's a drive and kick, corner 3, won't work. Fajardo with the board. Last shot time for the Philippines.
And no fouls. You know, the intensity seemed to have gone down very much in the second quarter. And finally, Iran takes the lead on a jumper from the outside.
Where do you start to rebuild of your success in the first quarter?
Well, in the first quarter, they were able to penetrate like this. And they were able to finish. Now we're missing layups underneath the basket. No? And that happened in the second quarter. And it's carrying on to this day, this quarter.
Oh, another denial from AJ Edu. The young guns, Edu and Abando.
See the reaction of the player. He's so frustrated. Now, this is another good drive. Can he finish?
AJ.
It's good block.
Block. But CJ gets the rebound. Still
No foul
could not sink up. Sets up Ramos. Fly by. Malonzo takes the 3. Won't work. Rebound Iran again.
We still haven't scored in this quarter. The drought continues for us.
Offensive foul against Junmar. As it will be a turnover versus the Philippines. Alonso to Bogoy for 3. No good. AJ Edu tapping it, but it is Iran that comes away with it. Really good looks though for Roger Bogoy, Dr. J. Just could not get any sort of efficiency. Tough shot, very difficult shot there for Iran, as the Philippines will get another stop. Bogoy drives off on the banker.
A little bit wild there. He thought that he probably would get a foul so he could go to the free throw line.
Alonso staying in front of Majid. Iran again forced to take a difficult shot. AJ Edu gets called for.
And Perez, by the way, is also in there.
Let's see if he can create some opportunities for himself and for his teammates. Oh, that's illegal. 100% illegal.
Violation. Because that shot of Bobby Ray is a 2-point shot.
Good look for Jafari, could not sink it as Dwight claims the rebound for Gilas.
Now what